Hello guys, today I am going to show my new toys that my mama and papa gave me. We bought it from Toys for Less. Our mother and father buy this because I scored 3 goals yesterday. So we're going to unbox this. The Velociraptor presses on, then it makes noise, makes flying noises, and his eyes blows, jaws open. And this is the Jurassic World Dimetrodon in the Minion. Let's unbox it. It twists his head, open his jaw, moves his leg. Also back legs. And also a QR code. And he opens his jaw wide 10 meters. And he can also move his neck. And the toys, you can carry this everywhere, but not school. This you can also. Bye bye.